Yeah, as I was saying, China, the time, can't say this is the stuff. So now, ngoba sikhuluma ukuthi as humans we experience impilo differently, yabo. We have different realities singabantu, yabo. How we perceive the world is different, yabo. Umhlaba siubona ngendlela engafani, yabo. Lengathi ama-example ade uwasho ukuthi khona impilo yaseSenthini, impilo yase-Alex, impilo yase-clubini, impilo yase-church, impilo yakiphi, yabo. Naleyo ukuthi amaletuzana ama-judgment ethu agcine engafani nezabantu, yabo. I-common sense igcine ingayona i-common sense. But manje ngifuna mina siyibuke ngokwama-social economic classes based on this graph engipresentela right now, yabo. So lento this is a textbook by UCT, yabo. But la ngikhatha nje to chapter 5 ufika 5.8. Bayirelease 2021 January this textbook, yabo. Marketing kahle kahle. My students ayenze research yakhona. So now we are about 6, yabo. A6 we have the poor class, we have the working poor, we have working class, and then we have the middle class, and then we have the upper class or upper middle class number 5, and then the top end, yabo. So the poor class in China, more than 18 million people, yabo. Of which it's 37 million households. So we poor class abantu aba-earn less than 3.5 a month, yabo. So already lawo bantu it's bane mindset ehlukile from someone who's in the middle class or someone we working poor, yabo. Just a class above. Or maybe Maxishebelentuzan, what do you think?
And repeat that again.
Like mindset yomuntu la we poor class. So the poor class is those people about earn less than 3.5 a month, yabo. Some of them go zero. It's not just 3.5, yabo. Most of them it's 18 million. Where South Africa it was about 60 million, yabo. Without counting the illegals, yabo. So kulo 18 million. Abacabanga bese ihlukile, yabo. Umhlaba nje uhlukile kubona, yabo. In most cases yibo abantu abafika begqoka izikipa engamakhala, yabo. Yibo abantu abahlezi benamaletuzana hopes, yabo. But a class above them, working poor, those who earn between 3.5 and 8, yabo. So labo you and wabona laba they think differently. But the thing you notice, now I'm gonna tell you what I think about these classes because I've given some thoughts on this dialogue and not now, but I know certain people, yabo. Usually I used to interact with people and then try to see where do they fit here so that I can engage them based on their class, yabo. Not something ngibalowa but I understand. Like something I was telling you, sometimes you meet someone to lift, usefuna drink, usefuna umthengele in. This person, why you do that? And then I realized, oh man, indlela acabanga ngayo, yabo. Yena umebona letuzane. Angifuna ukukhuluma kude because siyarecorda, but there are people abanjani. Yeah. Perfect example mchana bekunembuzi ekhaya. And then okay, but have you seen mekunokudla and there are people who look masekudliwa benze kakhulu mfethu, yabo. Beqoqela ukuthi shaye ilast number and then you realize ukuthi yazi this thing when I'm China, you know you can afford your chicken licken, your KFC, your pizzas anytime when you feel like it, yabo. You don't need to do that.
Yeah.
Yabo. So there are times whereby you need to say to yourself, but this person probably needs this more than me, yabo. Umele ukuthi ngimyekelele, yabo. Ngingawari as long as ezokhokha after, yabo. And then so pity. But there are people who take that mindset like Mchana, after you stayed with poor class for so long, maybe like 10 years of your life plus, yabo. And then now you don't realize it's middle class or middle class, like 3 classes up from that class or from that economic class. But you still come with your behavior, Mchan. You still come with that mindset.
You know what? Let me say something, Chan. I'm gonna make it right a conversation, right?
Yeah.
And I might be right. I might be wrong, right? So this is what I'm thinking. And maybe I wanna also bring this into your attention. The poor class.
Yeah.
Which is earning 3.5.
Yeah.
Their mindset, this is what I'm thinking. Their mindset could also be determined not by the figure, but the environment that these people live in.
Yeah.
So someone who is earning 3.5, staying somewhere in Limpopo, will also behave differently to someone who is getting 3.5 but staying in Sandton.
True.
So it's possible. So I don't think it's necessarily determined by. It can be. In some cases, it is determined by the money that they get. But I think the thinking and also maybe their reality is determined. And maybe the reality is a better way, right? To use which in reality, umuntu ohola 3.5. I find the reality yomuntu ohola 22,000. Their reality is totally different, right? But I think it's totally dependent because I think someone who also stays a city ohola 40K probably stays somewhere in mid-range, right? Maybe mid-range. I can be mid-range, country, mara, mid-range, mara, yeah. You understand? Mid-range. And then umuntu ohola 3.5, no, who say somewhere in Limpopo. Their thinking will not be the same.
Yeah.
Because of environment, not necessarily also. The salary also. And it plays.
It's an influencing factor or influential factor.
Remember also E3.5 Limpopo. I find in 3.5 a mid-range.
True. Kunjenge 3.5 cash ne 3.5 kwi-account. Lento ngihlezi ngisho kubantu ukuthi ayifani. Even 10 rand, about 10 rand on our cash no 10 rand kwi-bank account awufani value yawo. Yabo.
Exactly.
And I wonder how, because it's still 10 rand. Lo se bank you need to buy it to get it. Lo ulintuzana mangithi buy it ukusebenzisa will come with ama fees. Yabo. Umuzothi bathi ukuswipe mahala. Yabo. But ukuze uswipe kumele uwalk, kumele utravel. Yabo. So already. Yabo.
Exactly my point.
Yeah.
So just to stretch it a bit to say, I say, Mina, it's the environment, right? Where you are. It determines the reality, not necessarily. Someone who has 3.5 SNT will have a better idea than someone on a 3.5.
But Mina, I'd rather have 3.5 in Pomp than to have 3.5 in Gauteng. Because
we stay.
Because ngizosafara mdoda. Yabo. This is where uzongifica ngiserobotini ngidance. Yabo. These are the guys. Yabo. And they get money, these people.
Yeah. Here's the thing. When I'm right? You say you would rather have 3.5 in Limpopo than to have 3.5 SNT.
Yeah.
Yeah. I watched the movie recently and I watched its interviews. And they were just doing backstage stuff. And this lady tells us, who's this lady? Taraji, right? The movie is by Tyler Perry. The latest movie that Tyler Perry released.
In Istro.
Istro.
She
says she moved to, and I'm not familiar, right, to these cities that say Americas, but the way she was saying it, she moved to a city somewhere which is a better city in America, right? she moved there with, I think it's $7 or something, $70 or something.
Yeah.
You understand? So think about it. Why would someone having 3.5 want to move to Sentin?
Yeah. This is why phela we have a problem. Yeah, yeah, what do you call these squatters eGauteng, because people from Eastern Cape, KZN, all these other provinces are moving to Johannesburg, for they are moving for better opportunities, whereby they are even suffering more. Must be say Gauteng, to support my statement ukuthi I'd rather be eLimpopo no 3.5 or ngithe Nquthu, Nquthu angiyazi kahle. Actually, I've never been saying Nquthu.
Someone who is in Limpopo with 3.5, and someone who is in Sentin with 3.5, who has got better chances of succeeding?
The one in Sentin. Opportunities are here, interviews are here. Okay, that's one you can see because that person I had
and that is why Taraji P or something would move near $7 or $70. I don't know the figure exactly. Would move there and come to a city where there is some opportunities.
Yeah.
And the thinking also there is not the same, Chana, with the thinking Yanatana Ekaya. I mean, I've got guys that they've made it like before. They've made it like Dalanyana, they've made it. They say Abai gas. Abasafu gas. Like somewhere. But you went the gas. I'm full gas.
Yeah. That's another problem on its own. We need to discuss that one day. Why are people must be grand be share malogi sharp? Mutume rights nan share
it's because they're thinking there, Brian. It's the thinking. It's the reality.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah. They're going to be discussing. And chances are, let me not say like the general overall, right? But chances are they're going to be discussing petty things. Ubani, some Kulumisi, Ubani, Ubani, Agazana, Ubani.
Yes. Let me tell you what happens. Obang Sasemaka Wamaj. So, there's a motive, yabo. There's a young issue, there's a babu interview. So, there's hey. Skudlula abantu abosilindi imoto.
Mchana kanye interview vele Oracle to be working na.
Mchana I'm a podcaster mchana, or I'm a content creator. I'm creating content here.
No, but it was just a raw, truthful banking conversation, right?
Yeah, it's a raw. But like, everything should be raw and honest. We are not faking anything yet. It's just two guys chatting. Okay, but I'm another backup. Some are still running. Okay, let me tell you this story. What happens? And this thing, so lazy. Kudlula umuntu. Hayi. Yambona umchita. Lentwana le yaphunyelwa zimali, wayidla imali zakhe, ibuka manje usenjani. Hlala. Kudlula omunye. Amazofana lo. Yazi lona washiwo unkosikazi nan. And then ngihamba nabantu mjana, ngihamba nabantu, like we've been busy, been looking at travel almost on a daily basis nan. But that thing ngiyayibuka mfethu uthi actually your mentality le like this person is so much invested, yabo. Was indaba zabantu more than fab was ukuthi mhlambe mangaka ama Toyota sephumile this year or in. It's how this person back to you, Mchana. But I was just highlighting that part of the issues.
Very important. Very important.
Yeah.
Maybe for my side, right? You know me, I'm a Bible guy.
Yeah.
your environment in China it really determines the person you become, right?
Yeah.
In the Bible, we are told of a man called Saul. So Saul meets with Samuel. Samuel went to go to this place, and then you're going to find prophets, and then you will begin to prophesy, right? This guy is not a prophet. This guy was looking for his donkeys. Saul, go read it. Saul was looking for his father's donkeys. Mara, he meets a company of prophets, right? And he begins to prophesy. You understand? So it was because he was amongst prophets, and that spirit of prophecy also came upon him. So he prophesies not because he's a prophet, but because he's in a company of prophets. But just to bring in a little bit light, very good, is it bad? Company corrupts, but
good,
something
yeah,
is corrupting another.
yeah,
You understand?
yeah.
So it really matters the environment. So that is why I'm saying China environment is very critical.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, you can have 3.5 and go chill with people that are discussing
millions
issues like property investment.
Yeah.
Oh, just a practical example in China, we've got is it two guys? I'll call them B and S. They bought property because they joined a company called C. And now I recently am joining C. And now they are telling me, China, when you are paying Stockfell 5,000.
Yeah.
It means you are able to buy property when.
Yeah.
Now they are putting this thing on me. And this is a chat that I was having with one of the guys of in our team. He was telling me, no man, I'm getting pissed that you playing stock fairly, 5,000. And it means you can buy property where you stay, even.
Yeah, yeah.
You understand? Yeah. So it's the environment that you stay in China that influences you, even. This guy probably earns double what I get, right?
Yeah.
Or triple what I get. But Naga, that 3.5, I'm now being channeled to think in a different way.
Yeah.
You understand? I'm being challenged to think in a whole different way. He's not saying go buy a place in Midrand.
Where you stay?
Where you are. Yeah. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah.
Okay, but in China, what about those people who stay? Who are these people neighbors? Because these 18 million people, 7 million households, they have neighbors. And some of the neighbors are doing well within the same environment, within the same community, within the same township or city or town. How do we justify that?
Yeah. So, it's just that man.
And some of them are first. Like back in a generational what? They break a generational cases. Yeah, most people know, but some of the people, they say that person is the first to buy mod or to buy a house with family, with bloodline. Yeah, they come from this. So bona yine shintshayo. Yeah,
here's the thing. What changes in China, the environment maybe that I'm really talking about. It's not just an environment which can be seen physical. It's an environment which is probably spiritual, which is like the mind.
Yeah, but the mind is not spiritual, John. Is the mind spiritual?
You can't see it, most.
No, but China, spiritual, you can see it. You can scan your mind. Spiritual in the sense of okay, what your mind is showing? There's a mind. There is what's the other thing? I'm forgetting, China, but the mind itself, you can see it, you can touch it. Doctors can see it and touch it. Yabo. And then the other thing is, no, Mchana, if you open your skull.
Check the point I'm trying to make, right? I'm saying, you can. It's a mindset. You can be
mindset, yes.
With a mindset, you want to also Alex. You can still suffer. So ultimately speaking, it's not really about even the environment.
Yeah, but it is a factor. So maybe all these factors are contributing different percentages.
They contribute.
Because sometimes you find siblings which omunye uyipara bebedla endaweni bebelala ndawo yempete nodwa bekhuliswa abazali ababodwa benza yonke into ndawonye kodwa omunye beyipara omunye ngabiliyoni ipara and then masuthi kanjani every evening and morning badla ukudla kodwa yabo but I get you because maybe mekufika esikoleni abangani abafani yabo mekufika esikoleni omunye unentuzana uhlala nalezi ezenza into ethini umhlaba.
So I think China we are getting into a deeper nyana talk to say whether you currently have 3.5 or you currently have 75k.
Yeah.
This is not really important. Not really, like it's important, right?
Yeah.
But it's not like really important. What's important is the mind.
Yeah, Mchana, it is a fact. Yes, I wish maybe on another day we should like open an Excel, create a sort of Excel table and try to estimate my percentage. Percentage wise.
I'm gonna fight you on this one. I'm gonna fight
no, you know why I'm saying that, Mchana.
You know why?
Okay. Okay, yeah.
You know, someone with a mind which is not transformed can go from 75k, go back to
0.
3.5. And someone with a transformed mind can go from 0 to 75k and above.
Mchana, okay. Let's look at these numbers. Let me read these numbers. And for my viewers, a poor class has 18 million people in South Africa. Those are people about end up between 0 and 3.5. Abantu abadlala omashonisa, abanekwetu, angifuna ukubachaza kakhulu. Mase zoba khona i-top end. Abantu who earn more than 75,000. Yabo. But we top end. We only have 600,000 people out of 60 million. Maybe 1%. It's the top 1%. Yabo. So you can't tell me what 18 million people, Mchan. 18 million people. In mindset. Yes, the mindset now it is a contributing factor. But netuzan nabazali, yabo. I-background yasekhaya mhlawumbe namanye ama-advantages ukuthi maybe advantage yomakhelwane, advantage yabazali nanokuthi Mchana if kwi-community yakho mina kunabantu engibukela kubona from i-community yami yabo ukuthi lo abantu even sayintwana lo I like how he moves, I like izinto azenzayo even esikoleni into iyahlala emqondo wakho ukuthi ugcina ulantuzana everything uyenzayo but there are people nabo ababona ubani uthi fine mbonile into akhipha umesa yabo umbonile mgwaza yabo sikhulu
it's environment
but all these are contributing mase kunabantu abasothelwayo ukuthi abazali babona but I know my son ukuthi akekho bright esikoleni, let's just set up something yana for him, let's set maybe a garage, they can buy you a petrol station just like that. Yabo. Hire someone to manage when you be just benefiting from you.
But I know someone.
Yabo. And that person has ambitions, but we are failing. Totally, usedlala forex, usedlala in yabo. But okay, duzenza le mali. So yeah, we are both right, yabo. It's just that we need to.
You know what? Environment. Don't look down on environment. It's important, China, where you grow up in. But in even the school that maybe the person goes to, and all of those things, all of them collectively play a huge role in someone's upbringing, right? And in someone's thinking pattern,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So those things are critical. We cannot look down on them and say maybe they are less important. They are very important. In fact, the environment in China is very. I mean, I just make an example because uthe mangifika eGauteng ngafike eTembisa e-Ivory e-15.
Yeah, nami ngifike e-Ivory yazi mengifike eJozi.
Mina mangifike bengise-15 yabo yonke into iyenzakala la.
Uburenta malini?
Yabo bengirenta u-750.
Oh, eye beku fucked up ke lapho.
Yonke into yenzakala lana and ugeza lana, upheka lana, yonke into yenzakala la. You understand?
Yeah.
So yeah. The thinking and ngaset up amanye amantombazana bangisa kwenye indawo engisho ne. And I saw the chance when we're having conversation. I'm like, nah, the conversation here cannot be conversation. You understand?
Yeah.
It's because it's where they are and where I was at at that particular time.
What type of conversation? What type of conversations?
Because different conversations, man. It's property related.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Good conversation.
Interest rates, what?
Yeah. Yeah.
You see, yeah, you know, yeah. So it was just different conversations than what at that time I was banking.
Yeah, you told me about that actually. When you came from that thing, I met you. Remember?
Yeah.
Yeah, but yeah. Okay, I'm hearing you. So,
Yeah.
I was trying to let you, but I'll do it on another day. This thing you would say, yes, we do agree with environment, but environment is a contributing factor. But in terms of percentage, we can't say it's 50%.
Yeah. So
maybe it might be.
Maybe you can pose it. You can pose it to your viewers to say, what do they think? Is it a environment thing?
Mchana, I have 10 subscribers, Mchana. So my viewers.
Those 10 subscribers.
Yeah, those guys. Then comment please comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah.
That's the thing in China, that those 10 subscribers, right?
Yeah.
They are 3.5. Right?
Yeah.
Someone has got 75 subscribers, right?
Yeah.
So the line is there.
Oh yes. Manje isingilahlekele this thing, where is it? But yes, I see where you're going.
You understand the mind there. So earlier on, before I joined you guys, I was attending a youth session, and maybe I'm deviating a bit, Langane. I'll just come back just now, but I just thought to drop this. It was a youth something. So they were speaking about stewardship, right? They were talking about being faithful with the little, so that let me just say the Creator will trust you with more. So they were saying that faithfulness with the little is a promotion to more. So right now he's got 10 subscribers in China.
Yeah.
So the Creator looks at how you treat the 10 subscribers, or
yeah.
Yeah. So among that 10, you don't know that number 3 is even to 75,000.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, izokhiphaza msale video, I'm stopping